Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. And for this case they do have this available for like the other phone as well. So for example like the iPhone 14 Pro, and see for the one that we got right here from this brand, let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, inside right here you see we do have the case, and it's all needs to wrap up. But once you guys take it out, inside they do provide guys a little warranty card, and they also provide guys an option for you to change the actual buttons if you guys do need to. But once you guys take out the case, here is basically what the case looks like. So to see the way how they designed this case is definitely pretty cool. They do have the magnetic option on here, so that way you can use the MagSafe charging option. And the cool thing about the material that's on the case right here, it is anti-fingerprint. So when you guys do leave a fingerprint on here, it just disappears instantly. I believe the material that's on here is also anti-scratch, so if you guys do scratch it, it should be fine. But right here, you see we do have the opening for the actual camera. And you can see the way how they designed the actual case is basically a matte design case. So that way you guys can fully see everything in the back. But you see right here on the side, they do have the brand logo. And then right here, we do have the button controls. And they do have the opening for the sliding button. If you guys turn to the other side, we do have the button on this side as well. And then right here, we do have the bottom part. And then right here is basically what the inside looks like. So when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. And you see the inside of the case, they do have like this airbag technology throughout the actual case. So that way if you guys accidentally drop it, that won't be an issue. And when you guys do feel the material that's on the inside, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. But it definitely will give you guys that protection when you guys do put it on, which is pretty nice. And if you guys look carefully on the camera lens right here, it's lifted up just a little bit to give you guys that protection. And when you guys feel the slide right here, it definitely has a little bit of a non-slip material. So that way when you guys do grip it, it won't fall off as easy. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I put this onto my phone, let's test out the magnetic option first. So if you guys stick it on the back right here, and see how it does work. And we see how strong the magnet is on here when you guys do use it. But now let's put it on the phone. So if you guys go like this, just push it in. Once you guys push it in, here is basically what the product looks like from the back. And then right here we do have the front. Here we do have the side. And then here we have the other side. And then right here we do have the bottom. And when you guys do grip it, it actually feels pretty nice. Like I mentioned, it does have like that non-slip material that's on here, which is actually pretty cool. And you guys can see the size of the case is actually not that big. It's actually pretty slim. So if you guys do stick this on with the actual case with the phone on now, here is basically what the product looks like. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want my need warranties. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality case that has a MagSafe charging option on here and has a similar design that's on here as well, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.